Tell me when.
Tell me what I'm looking at.
So this is the sort of create factory place where I did some experiments on various things through the create mod. Unfortunately, I kind of broke most of them making new stuff. But this used to be one of those trains that you could build. The whole, this frame would go around on the minecart. It was pretty neat. We all rode it together around. If you look down here, this hole, there were drills attached to here at one point, and we drilled down these holes. And gathered up all the resources by drilling straight down using the create mod, which is pretty neat. And then
I'm down in the hole here. I'm going to do aqua so we can actually see what's down here. It's a giant hole.
Yep.
Bad guys. Okay, I'm coming up.
Okay. And then this is sort of the main part. So here I have a 2 double windmill thing. Got them working in concert that drive this shaft, which drives everything else more or less. The main thing that's happening now is I have a cobblestone generator happening here, which basically has a repeated circuit on top that pops out cobblestone every so often. You can actually, if you come down here, you can see it pop down every so often. I'll come down and look in here. So, yeah, you can see it now. And there it comes.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then that gets carted. Once you get a full stack of that, which somebody broke this.
Maybe that was me, I don't know. What is it?
It's one of the things on my side. That's what was happening. That's why we weren't getting stuff. So anyway, now it's going to be jam-packed. Somebody put their spell book on the place where the filter, and so it was not letting anything through. But you can change that by right-clicking, and then I want it to be so that you have to have a whole stack come through instead. Without, it should wait until a whole stack comes through. But anyway, the rocks get chucked up into this grinder. The whole point here was we wanted to get some more clay. And so it gets chucked in the grinder grinds it up into gravel. If it's gravel still, it gets sent around again. The gravel gets ground up into sand. The sand gets sent through this tube, which then you push water on it. And that makes it clay. And it comes through the back. And then it gets stamped into clay blocks. And then this heater over here cooks it into clay bricks or clay blocks. And then that is what we're looking for. So this is a clay brick making machine.
Okay.
Yeah. We've at other times had it doing other things, like making iron and stuff like that, but right now it's making clay. And we were using this largely for Marmalade Village, the desert village, to make clay. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Very good.